This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Richind and signing in with an account that has dashboard editing rights. If you don't have them, request access now. Once signed in, navigate to the Home or Recent view and select the dashboard you want to modify. Make a quick check of the current layout and active widgets so you know what to change. Then click Edit or the pencil icon to enter edit mode. This unlocks drag, resize, and configuration controls, so you can begin rearranging components immediately. Once in edit mode, focus on structure first. Drag widgets to new positions and use the grid snap to keep spacing consistent. After placement, resize panels to prioritize key metrics, then open each widget settings to update queries, filters, or data sources so the visuals reflect the right data. Make styling changes in the property's pane titles, color palettes, and alert thresholds so information hierarchy is clear. Throughout, preview changes periodically to verify data accuracy and visual balance before. To finish, save your draft and then publish or schedule the update so stakeholders see the new dashboard. Once published, validate live refresh behavior and confirm that team members with different roles can view or interact as intended. If numbers look off or widgets fail, revert to the saved draft and inspect the changed queries, data source credentials, and role permissions. Also check browser console logs for script errors. Finally, document key changes and rollback steps so future edits are faster and safer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.